Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where every day is a good day to be real. This is Richard C, your Real Pro expert. So because this vlog is about being real, as we interview real business people, we show you real properties, we will be doing something different today. We will actually be buying a real investment property. Yes, you heard me right. I will be purchasing an actual condo for investment right now. I will be showing you, or I will be talking about reasons why I chose this property, my strategies for buying this property, what I will do with this property, and the purpose of buying this property. So, if you're ready, tara na, let's go! So guys, galing tayo sa office and then now papunta na kami sa site. So I hope hindi ma-traffic kasi it's around 11 AM. So wala ba ng lunch break. So I think pag hindi ma-traffic kaya naman to by 5 to 10 minutes. Usually yung mga questions is parang why would you invest in a property during a pandemic, 'di ba? Or during coronavirus when medyo mahirap actually gumawa ng money during this time, especially lahat naman ng businesses affected, which includes real estate. However, there's still a positive outlook when it comes to real estate. Pero sa akin kasi it's the mindset it's the parang the window of opportunity na pwede nating makuha during pandemic. Kasi like for example, if I don't buy now, what is the property prices after this situation, for example? And pinaka-importante lang when buying properties during pandemic is it's important that you watch your cash flow. Make sure you have a stable cash flow, or hindi if you're probably working a corporate job, hindi nanganganib yung company mo, or hindi kayo due for retrenchment or kung ano man. If you have money naman in the bank, again, make sure you have your emergency funds before investing. So that's around 6 months of your monthly salary. And then if you have even if you don't need to pay for the down payment yet, for example, the down payment is spread into around 50 to 60 months. So important pa rin na dapat that 20% equity is in your bank account already, kahit hindi mo pa siya actually gagamitin. So yung location niya is between Ortigas Center and BGC, pero yung address niya is Pasig pa rin. So actually this property na-launch siya mga I think around 5 years ago na, pero I wasn't actually considering this property before because maybe meron lang akong ibang mas gusto na property. And then siguro right now nakita ko yung potential niya, and I think it's I personally think na it's not yet too late to invest in this property. So ang possible problems ko lang, ang mga reservations ko lang or worries ko lang is it has always been traffic sa road na to and then like after siguro ma-turn over nung mga buildings dito or nung property, lalong magtra-traffic sa road na to. Pero there is a certain market for these people. Okay, so dito tayo sa showroom, and the showroom is actually the site as well. Pero in the future, magiging high street to. So magiging commercial center siya. And I think yes, the parking is close one. So actually gawa na yung first building niya, and then yung second building gagawin. But I'm trying to purchase a property in the third building. So wala pa talaga siya. Okay guys, so that was around 8 minutes and nandito na tayo sa showroom nung property and sa actual site as well kung saan itatayo yung property. So as you can see, actually gawa na yung first building niya, na turnover na yan. Yung second building ginagawa na, and I'm trying to purchase sa third property. So we'll show you the showroom as well para may idea kayo sa layout ng units na binibili namin. Thank you! Pasok na tayo! So this is Lian, yung site manager dito sa Portico.
Morning.
He's been very helpful dito sa property na pinipili ko. Okay, so this is actually the one-bedroom unit layout. It's actually 56 square meters. So now we are here inside the bedroom of this property layout. As you can see, based on the design, it's actually clean, simple, and minimalist. Siguro to make the room look bigger as well. One thing I personally don't like dito sa layout nito is nasa loob yung bathroom. So when you have guests, they still need to enter your bedroom for them to use the bathroom. So, yun lang yung one disadvantage dito. Pero, actually, kaya i-maximize tong bedroom na to based sa design. Especially if maglalagay ka pa ng cabinets. Because, as you can see, ito lang yung cabinets niya. So, hindi talaga kakasya yung damit mo dito.
So I'll be presenting to you Sir Richard, our Portico project in Ortigas. So what we want to focus on our project is the living experience. So we want to give you an urban escape. So this would be our Portico project. It's a 3.6 hectares. So similar siya sa Serendra living kasi it's most of all it's greeneries and trees when you go down the ground.
This is like Serendra of Ortigas.
Yes. That's very true.
So, also, if you notice, Serendra before was launched at around 80,000 per square meter. And right now, it's what? 250,000 per square meter.
Yes.
So, grabe lang. That's like times 5 of the property.
And if you want to get a similar kind of property to Serendra, this would be our go-to choice. So, our project is cut into two portions. So, one for the residential side, so this one, and one for the retail side. So, what we want for our clients is that when they go down, all of their wants and needs is actually an elevator right away. So if you look at the property, it's most of greeneries kasi we allocated 70% for the whole land to be open spaces and greeneries. So we have your townhouses as well, and also our mixed with a condominium type of development. And also if in terms for investment, I want to give you a different side of this. So our project is near the subway system. It's around 600 meters away. So roughly 6-minute walk lang siya to Capital Commons na subway. And also we want to give you another infrastructure plan, which is the BGC Ortigas link. So it's gonna reduce our travel time to just 12 minutes from our CBD in BGC.
Okay, so dati rin, ako, you know me, when I buy property, ayoko masyadong maraming common area because I do feel na parang I want my privacy and I want my... So parang gusto ko yung parang hotel type na building lang siya, aircon siya, yung lobby, ganun. And then okay lang if nasa 4th floor yung amenities. Ayoko yung masyadong maraming open space. Personal, ko lang yun. Kasi parang I don't like mixed use. Parang nakra-crowded ako or baka naingay. Pero after the pandemic, nag-iba yung perspective ko. Parang I need, nung nag-lockdown, parang I need air, I need open space, I need malaking bagay siya. Malaking bagay na may park sa baba or malaking bagay siya na may may nalalakaran ka nang hindi ka lumalabas sa actual residential property mo. So, tsaka yun, siguro kasi naging plantitos ako, so nahilig din ako sa plant. So that's another factor din naman. Kaya I was seeing this property before and then parang I wasn't actually so keen on investing in this property. Pero now, nag-iba talaga yung perspective natin pagdating sa real estate. Okay.
Yeah, siguro to add to that post-pandemic setup, our building is a low-dense project. So basically, we are averaging 14 units of floor. So very perfect siya for, after the post-pandemic setup, mas onting tao. In short, hindi tayo likely to be parang maulit-ulit yung pandemic na maraming tao within the area. So for our entry points for our Portico, this would be our main drop-off as of now. So it's along Oranbo Drive. So this would be your gateway to your Portico project. And also if you want to be near the retail courtyard, this would be our main drop-off for our retail courtyard, which will turn over by 2023.
Okay, Real Pro. So right now, we are at the viewing deck of Portico by Alveo Land. Again, this is my first Ayala Land property na binibili, na i-invest ko. Right now, I'm currently deciding whether I'd like to buy a studio unit or a one-bedroom. Actually, yung una talaga, one-bedroom talaga yung gusto ko because I like bigger space. Pero since yung possibility na hindi naman ako yung titira dito and it's really only for investment, then nag-decide na lang ako na studio unit siya kasi lesser risk siya eh. Kasi the one bedroom requires a lot of money and a lot of cash para ilagay because the payment terms may 10% down payment siya. The current price of the studio unit is 7.3 million and on Sunday, just 2 days after today, magpa-price increase na siya ng 20% at 8.8 million. So that's around 1,400,000 or 1,500,000 savings. No, in just not savings. 1,500,000 income in just 2 days. Again, reasons for buying this property is well, I like the payment term. I only have to put in 10% and then just pay 21,000 monthly for the next 5 years. And again, hindi pa masyadong develop yung property. So it means there is high potential for development or increase. It's again, there's the principle of progression dahil katabi niya yung mga katabi niya yung nearby property which is a very good development as well, which happens to be Capital Commons. So mataas na rin yung value ng property sa Capital Commons. So, dahil tabing-tabi siya, both of them magko-complement yung impact nila sa value ng property. And of course, it's near the subway as well. So, kanina nung nagdra-drive ako, sabi ko parang ma-traffic going here. Baka in the future, yung because isang road lang yung daanan, baka mag-traffic siya kasi it's already traffic. But the purpose of the subway is to actually decongest Metro Manila. And also, the purpose din, of course, pag nagka-subway siya, lesser na rin yung traffic and people would actually use the subway and would not drive if possible. Ganun sa first world country, di ba? People don't own cars naman. They usually ride the subways to commute. I think right now, the studio unit is a good investment kasi because of the market price na 7.3 million, feeling ko may potential pa siya maging 10 million eh. Siguro max 12 million after 5 years. Based on my calculations. Pero if I get 10 million from this property, happy na ako. I would probably flip the property even before the turnover. Actually guys, sold out na yung studio unit. Nag-lottery lang ako kanina and I'm so happy na award sa akin yung lottery. But I was hoping to get the 16th floor. Kaya lang ang nakuha sa akin sa lottery is 10th floor lang. So I was given the choice between 3rd floor and 10th floor. So, I think i-refer ko na lang yung 3rd floor sa isang client. But I'm getting the 10th floor property. Again, Ayala Land focuses on the common areas. Dinadaan talaga nila sa amenities, which highly impacts the property value. And of course, the development of the commercial space as well. So, if you start living here, you'll have 2 commercial spaces. One in the high street of Portico, and secondly, in Capital Commons kung saan merong Unimart and SM as well. So I think guys, this is a good investment. So I'm ready to sign my reservation.
Both of the units I got for you and your client is unit Series 17. So that's facing northeast. On the ground floor, you're facing the basketball court as well. And yun nga, east side, morning sun, yun naman yun.
Yeah, sinabi ko rin sa last vlog ko na I always buy the east side.
Yes, in terms of feng shui, parang gusto ng client east. So that's what I got for you and your client.
The last time I said I usually like high floor, pero usually naman if for investment purposes lang or if hindi naman ako yung titira, usually. And for this property kasi, gusto natin ma-maximize yung amenities niya. because maganda talaga amenities sa property. This is around what 70% open space.
Yes, sir. Correct.
This is 70% open space. So pag ganun yung property mo, maganda sa lower floor kasi na-enjoy mo yung amenities kahit nasa loob ka lang ng unit mo. You don't really have to go out, no?
Yes, that's true. So, actually, it's more expensive than 1017 kasi tama ka sir, you want to maximize the view. So, when you look out your window, you get the view of the basketball court and all the way to the greeneries sa Portico project natin.
I was actually really planning na one bedroom sana yung kukunin ko, no? Kaya lang medyo feeling ko high risk market siya. Kasi currently the one bedroom unit is around 12 million ba? 12.6 million, something like that. And then sa new price list niya, it's going to be around 14 million. Kaya lang somehow based on my market research, parang marami rin kasi nag-flip ng property below market value. So it will take some time pa before I could probably flip the property. I think mas easier kung ma-flip yung studio. And the studio unit kasi medyo feeling ko mataas pa yung potential niya. Mataas pa yung i-increase niyang price. May ano pa siya eh. Kasi the turnover for this one is actually 2026 at 25. So there is actually 5 years period to make money from it, no? And ganun din kayo, when you're actually buying a property, dapat iniisip nyo na parang who would probably buy this property at this price, yung price na gusto nyo. Like for example, I'm actually buying a studio unit today now at 7.3 million. And probably pag nag 10.5 to 12 million yan, happy na ako eh, di ba? So regardless, if titiran ko siya, I'll probably get one bedroom. It's actually a good investment din. Pero I think for rental, there's really a bigger market din for the studio units din kasi. Yes. Ay, by the way, nag-market research ako. Ang mahal ng rental sa Portico.
Actually, it depends on the market, sir. Pero what we want to capture is yung working force in Ortigas and also capital costs.
Yes. Pero it's it's actually good na it's high rental yung mga na turnover na property. Imagine I've seen one bedroom at 70,000 per month. That's medyo mataas 'yun. Pero it's a good property naman. And it's the most importantly secured din siya. And of course, ito yung usually na hindi nyo makikita sa ibang property. Para kang wala sa loob ng central business district. Okay guys, so nabili na natin ang aking bagong investment property. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for joining me. So nakita niyo yung investment process and I hope nasabi ko rin may reasons for buying this property. I think it's really a good investment then. Thank you very much for joining. Don't forget to share and subscribe. If you want to see other things sa vlog na to, let me know and we'll feature real people, real businesses, real investments, and real property. Again, this is Richard C. Follow me on my social media account. Thank you very much and I'll see you next time. Gutom na ako, may kainan ba dito?